So here's the thing. Every time I say hi guys or hey guys, I feel like I sound so cliche because everyone does it. So I don't know how to introduce a video without feeling cliche. But because we are here, welcome to the video. You can notice that I'm in a different space right now. This is my workshop that I actually haven't started using yet, and I will not be using it today because everything is all over the place. We actually moved into this house a couple of days ago, so like we're still arranging stuff in the house, and the workshop is acting like a temporary store before we know where to place everything. So right now there's stuff all over. Let me just show you. Here's my sewing machine and blah 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 stuff, lots of stuff. Suitcase there, I don't even know what's inside it. Some more blah blah blahs. Yeah, anyway, you get the idea. Let me fix the camera. There. Yeah, so it's unusable. But since we can't use it, I will show you some DIYs that I did in like before we moved. I did some DIYs. I upcycled some things. What's the difference between recycle and upcycle? I don't know. Okay, whichever it is. I yeah, I whatever cycled. No, that's not right. That doesn't sound right. I upcycled some things, including a dressing table, stroke vanity, some stools, two stools, but I'll be showing one, but they basically look the same. Um, some glasses I got from a chandelier we had in the old house, and I reupholstered a chair. Okay, through the help of my fundi, of a fundi, not my fundi. I don't have a personal fundi. Through the help of a carpenter, I reupholstered a chair. And what else? Yeah, I think that's it. Guys, you know what? My screen cracked. My phone fell down and the screen cracked and it's new. I don't even understand. I literally bought a screen protector and a cover that's like so hard and so, what's the word? What's the word? You know that cover that's like two in one? There's one really hard one that's outside, and then the rubbery one that's inside. I have that, and then I have a screen protector. But irregardless of all that, my phone fell down and the protector was not touched. But my screen broke inside the screen protector. I don't even know. Like, what's the point? What's what's the point? A protector is supposed to protect, but it's not protecting. So why is it there? Why does it exist? Why? It's a new phone, guys, and the screen cracked. I don't know what happens to me. Like every time I buy a new phone, like within the first month, sometimes in the first week, the screen is cracked. Why? Why? Does it happen to you guys? Or is it just me? Anyway, I will take this as a positive sign that I am going to get a camera soon, that my phone will not be falling every time I make a video and breaking. Anyway, let's go back to the past to watch the DIYs. So I can still see.